Alright, if anything happens here, I'm going in the water.
Got it. You're gonna make left traffic or left? Okay.
Go full length here.
Alright. Okay, we'll do a full power takeoff and climb. Once we're above pattern altitude, we're gonna transition to cruise climb and reduce power slightly.
Full power, heels on the floor. Right rudder, watching instruments.
Feels good. Gauge is good. Airspeed indicator coming up. Tachometer looks good.
Airborne. Climbing out at 80. Altimeter's coming up 200 feet. Oil pressure is good. It's pegged. 500.
Number 121, Bradley, 123.905.
Over to Bradley, Archer 121. Have a good day, Rick.
You too.
Bradley departure, good morning. Archer 33121, maintenance flight over Hartford Brainard 3000.
33121, Bradley departure, ready to contact, altimeter 2980. What's your current altitude leaving?
2980, we are 1.1, Archer 121.
121, roger, and you're just going to be doing air work around the vicinity there?
Copy that. Right over the airport, we're going to 3000, maintenance flight. Alright, get the nose down. Climb out at 90.
0 kilo, altitude is your discretion. 0 kilo, is there a layer out there?
1,500. Keep it at 90.
Yep.
Full power.
Yeah, we're still at 2450, so we're still in the ballpark for our RPM where we want.
Yeah, we're getting good climb out now. Nice and cold today. Exhaust gas temperature is 1311.
Bradley approach to the 36409. We are leveling off at 11,000. Permission X-ray.
36409, Bradley approach, altimeter 2980. Expect
2,000.
We're about 85 on oil temp.
Runway 24 plus 36409.
Low temperature's around 85.
020, descend and maintain 10,000.
02010 10,000 plus 36409.
Right, 2,200.
Oil pressure max.
I got a vent blowing on my face. 2,500. 500 more to go. Flying over Hartford. 2,700.
Got the field in sight still?
Absolutely. Looking at number 2.
Good work.
Bradley approach, very good morning to you, Delta 2859 at 16,000 to cross Stella at 11,000. We have X-ray.
Delta 2859, Bradley approach, good morning, altimeter 2980, expected visual approach runway 24.
2980, we're planning.
Alright, let's break her in, man. Start the timer. Field in sight.
Pull the power back just slightly. We're flirting with 2,500, just a little bit.
We want 2450.
Let's see how good you are at circles.
Fuel pump going off. Fuel pressure looks good. Mechanical pump is working. Feet feels good on my feet.
that better? It's going the other way?
Oh yeah, thanks brother. My man!
10,000.
I was getting the sniffles. Alright, check the RPM. 75% power right now.
Contact line, maintain 10,000.
I'm comfortable with this call. I'm good with all this.
Alright, oil temperature is halfway between 75 and 180.
We're 1211 now, so we dropped 100 in EGTs once we leveled off.
Test pilot Brian. Test pilot Alpha Kilo Warrior.
I'm running with noise canceling off, listening for the engine.
I should be getting some noise canceling headset shipped my way soon.
Fox 522, expect light rime in the climb, reported by an arrival 65 to 10,000.
Fox 522, we'll let you know what we get.
Fox 522, clear direct Hartford.
Direct Hartford, Fox 522.
Must be their light rime in the clouds. That looks like the cloud layer was reported 6,500, 7,000.
I don't see any rime on ours.
Nope, we stay out of visible moisture. I think we're good.
Fuel pressure still looks good. Mechanical fuel pump's doing its job. Did we get a new electric fuel pump?
I don't think so.
Got new mechanical, obviously.
Yeah.
5409, terminating 055.
We got 2 degree increase in cylinder head temperature. We're 51.
I just saw that when you looked at it.
Maybe it'll shake itself back to use, you know, as it cooks.
Blue Streak 5409,
I'm sure John will figure it out.
Block in 1 3 miles.
3 Papa Charlie's coming back. Right below us.
You know, open up the next circle a little bit. We're circling pretty tight. Get a little more.
I'm gonna go to the right, so we don't get dizzy.
A little more time out of our circle, so we're not just corkscrewing. At 3,000 feet, we got to glide for a couple of miles. We're almost so tight it'd be hard to make it back in. We have to spiral in. Oil temperature and pressures are still holding steady. These are all good indications. EGT is still nominal at 1,200. That's what we're looking at. No changes. So that's what we'll be looking for, is a trending change in anything. Yeah, hitting our own wake.
Yeah. Gave ourselves our own turbulence.
All right, we're coming up on 20 minutes. Do you want to call it one more, or do you want to make your departure?
Let's go. Let's rock and roll.
Last check of the gauges, oil pressure still nominal at max. Temperature actually looks like it dropped slightly, so that's a indication that the initial set is taken in, because it was up at about 120 or so, and now it's back down to like 90.
As I'm doing a wonderful job of maintaining my altitude, playing with my GPS, Brian and I are getting ready to head eastbound. Be sure to check out my other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You'll get sneak previews on upcoming videos on YouTube. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my channel members. I appreciate your support. I will work on part 3 of this video, exclusive for members only. Stay tuned for that, coming up soon.
You ready to rock and roll?
Ready? Let's you can call out to
Bradley.
Bradley, tell him we're heading. Where are we going? Wyndham first?
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell him we're going right to Taunton.
Okay.
Bradley, approach Archer 33121.
33121, go ahead.
Archer 33121, we are all set orbiting over Hartford. Like to go VFR direct to Tango Alpha November 3000.
121 right, proceed on course, and altitude is your discretion.
On course, our discretion, Archer 33121, thank you, approach.
Nice.
Shout out to Alex Line Guy for being a channel member for 1 year. You got a special badge coming your way, brother. And if you want to become a channel member, sign up today. It's just 3 cents a day, and you definitely help support my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And if 3 cents a day is outside your budget, you can always like, share, and comment on the video. Those are free. Be sure to check out my friend's YouTube channel, Russ Can Fly and Mad Props Aero. Have a sparkling day.